Hey friends, today I'm showing you this FRS two-way radio. This is a 22 channel 1250 milliampere USB rechargeable battery and LCD display, LED flashlight, walkie-talkie, license-free, long range with group, VOX, scan, NOA, AA, weather alert and call function. So I'm getting this yellow and the red set, and I will show you this handset a little bit later. First I will show you the accessories that comes with this pack, and as you can see there is like two USB micro USB wire, and I like this concept of a zip. I never see that before, so it's interesting to me, and that's cool that you can like use it as a zip, and these two can be separated out and you can charge both the walkie-talkie at the same time. And that's for the storage purpose. You can zip it back and you can just store. So this is a really cool cable, and this is the power adapter that comes with it, so you can charge your walkie-talkie. And it's good because I tried previous walkie-talkies, and the problem is like you have to replace the batteries every time and they used up pretty quick. And the good thing with this is a rechargeable batteries, so you can charge it anytime, so there is no issues with using the batteries. And this comes with this headphone as well. So this is a one mono headphone, and this you can add it up on the other side, and I will just show you. So this is the side for the headphone you can plug in, and this can be used for both audio as well as listening. Speaking as a mic and listening as a speaker. So this is the headset, and this have a ear cushion on it, so it will be easy for you. Have a voice control or the volume control over it. So this is a good headphone, like if you don't want everybody to listen or hear your talks, you can use these headphones supplied with this pack. This is the micro USB, as I said. You can recharge your headphones and this walkie-talkies using this one feature. So this is the push button, and it have a flashlight, that's the side button on your left side, so you can use this and put that for the charging flashlight. This is the on and off and volume control button. You can use on and off and then increase the volume of your headset. This is the mic, and the speaker is here, like if you want to use it that way. So overall it's a good design. Now I can see that easy to use with a flashlight, push to talk button on this side, and then charging and the headphone on the other side. This is the belt clip that you can remove, and is easily replaceable, and you can use for the putting on the belt clip. So these are the pretty like common features of this walkie-talkie, and I will just show you. As I said, that the color on and off button, volume button, and this is the one sided with the ear cushion, so this can be used on your one ear, and is comfortable for the long wear time. So this is the good accessories pack that come with it. So there are two headphones for the two walkie-talkie and two charging cable with the zipper. Now we come with this headphones on the walkie-talkies. So there comes in the two color that I received, the yellow and the red one, and it looks already like same, only there is a color difference. The same charging cable, headphone input, and on and off button, flashlight and stuff. So this is a dual channel talk. You can also set up a group talk along with this, so you can use on two different frequencies at one time. As I mentioned, this have a LED flashlight and removable belt clip, and you can set it up. There is a 21 or 22 channel that can be used, or you can set up this walkie-talkies. And so you can see like the menu button, the call button, you can call the log, the scan, and it also have the weather channel, so it can show like NOAA weather radio. So when there is any change in the weather or any alert for the weather, this walkie-talkie can actually tune you up with that. So this is how you set it up, your wavelength or the range, and then set up on the other one so that they can match with each other, and then it will start working. So as I mentioned, this have an antenna, PTT button, lamp button, called lock group talk. So here I'm just setting up these ones because not scanning with the other, so I'm just putting it manually for now. And the total weight for each is like 0.17 ounce, so it's pretty lightweight and it's good range. In an open ground it can go up to like miles, like maybe 20-30 miles, and then in a construction site or somewhere it like 1 to 2 miles. So long time use, and you can also replace the coltons. And it's just setting it up now. I set it up with the same wavelength, and now it will come up, and you can see it have a large LCD screen with a flashlight. The good thing is that you can use it for a quite big range, and I will just show you that later on. And right now I'm just showing you the charging and all the different features and the menu button and stuff, so you can see. And I will show you through the menu, like how these different codes and the different text means here. And the frequency for these are like 462.5 to 467.7 megahertz. So it's have a high and the low TX power, TX like the transmitting power, and 2 watt by 0.5 volt selection. So 154 codes and 22 channels, 5 kilometer optimal range, group function, 3 VOX levels, 10 call tones, monitor and scan, key lock function, built-in 1250 battery, flashlight and NOA and weather alert. So overall it's a good walkie-talkie for your personal use. And here is the button, like I'm setting it up and trying to call. So volume is pretty good, and you can always use the headphone if you don't want other people to listen to it. So this is the Samcom, and you can see like the battery levels and also the flashlight and the text showing up. And let me now show you some of those features, that how you can understand it a bit more clear. So you say like the battery powered, so it's like 10 hours continuous or 40 hours standby, but of course it depends on your usage and battery level may differ. So this is the menu that I was talking about, and the more details can be found here. And these are the all different features or the codes meaning. So RX is the receiving, TX is the transmitting mode, and then so on. So you can see like all the flashlight different codes here, and then how these different codes mean. So these are the parts, as I mentioned already, the antenna, the flashlight and everything. So this describes all the parts. And this is the feature, like how to set up the menu, and then how to set it up your headphones and all other features that I already explained you, but this is a quick guide to do that. Yeah, sometimes like it's good to show pictures so that you can understand it better. Overall my impression is good for it now, and I will of course use it in my open yard and see the range and everything, and I can add it up maybe later on or after this clip. But for now I can see and feel the lightweight and the good walkie-talkie system. And this also have the auto voice thing, so it will activate when there is any voice, so it's pretty good. So manual is in English, is still easily understandable, and it's pretty good and helpful. So now I'm just showing that how to use. I'm just using the voice talk button or the push talk button, and then increasing the volume. On my other handset I can listen the voice, but because it is too close I'm getting the noise, and it's pretty annoying. So I will just test it in an open yard and then add it up. Okay Ryan, talk now.
Hello, test. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
This range is good.
Yes, I think so. Now speak.
Okay. Hello. I'm speaking right now.
Oh, okay, I think the range is good as I can hear you here also.